Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Green Plant Guide. Today we're talking about one of the most popular houseplants, Monstera. Now I want to make a Monstera complete care guide for anybody who is growing Monstera in their home or thinking about growing big Monstera indoors. Monstera is easy care, and with Green Plant Guide you can grow a big Monstera at home. Do it yourself and enjoy gardening. Monstera is a really popular houseplant and is known as a Swiss cheese. The Swiss cheese plant gets its common name from large and heart-shaped leaves that develop holes as plant aids. This makes the leaves resemble Swiss cheese. Monstera loves to climb, so it makes a lovely hanging plant. There are several species that bear the name of Swiss cheese plant. Monstera deliciosa. This species features leaves that are larger than those of Monstera adansonii. If you know about gardening and any kind of house plant, please subscribe Green Plant Guide. Thank you. A complete care guide for growing big Monstera. Number 1 is light. For bigger leaves, the most significant factor is light. Monstera grow best in bright and indirect light. I mean area that receive lots of bright natural light but not too much direct sun, because direct sun can cause leaf to burn. If direct sunlight is unavoidable, limit exposure to just 2 or 3 hours of morning sun. Monstera can absolutely cope in lower light conditions as well, but too little sunlight will always result in poor quality leaves, so give your Monstera light it needs. Each Monstera is different, but 6 hours of bright indirect sunlight is a pretty good guideline to follow. Potting mix. Monstera do best in potting mix that holds moisture and drains well. They prefer soil mix with a slightly acidic pH between 5.5 and 7. 1 part peat moss or coco coir, 1 part perlite, and 3 parts compost is an excellent potting mix for Monstera. Watering. Watering Monstera about every week to 10 days, allowing soil to dry out between waterings. Before watering, stick your finger into the soil about 1 inch deep. If the soil feels dry to touch, it's time of watering. Irrigate until a little water runs out of the container drainage holes. Be careful about overwatering. It can lead all sorts of issues such as root rot, which can actually kill your plants. Yellowing of the leaves is commonly the result of overwatering. Monstera can benefit from filtered water or water left out overnight before use. Also, Monstera enjoy a humid environment. You can place your plant close to other plants, which increase the humidity of the air around them, or misting leaves frequently. Fertilizer. Feed your Monstera monthly in the spring and summer with an organic fertilizer. If you don't do this, your plant still survives, but it won't be looking as healthy and full looking as it could be. Monstera propagation. The easiest way is stem cutting and putting them in water or in potting mix. You can put any stems you remove while pruning. Then you just wait a week or two. You will notice a little roots start to appear. Monstera pruning helps you control a plant's size and shape. Early spring, before new leaves occur, is when to repot Monstera for the best results. Pests and diseases. Monstera might have to combat some houseplant pests, for example, spider mites, scale, and whitefly. Luckily, these pests are rarely fatal and can be treated with a non-toxic insecticide or neem oil. For better growth, keep an eye out for common diseases such as root rot, rust, and blight. Common name is Swiss cheese plant, Swiss cheese vine, 5-holes plants. Botanical name is Monstera adansonii. Is a perennial plant with the other character in the table. If anyone's got any question or you want to know about something that I haven't covered, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Green Plant Guide video.